This is Joel, and we have an oven. We're cooking in it right now, and it always smokes and sets the fire alarm off. And I always get a broom and wave it so that it turns the fire alarm off. So it's gonna go off here in less than 20 seconds, and watch what Joel does when the oven sounds the alarm, or just beeps. Sorry. Joel,
look at your supper.
See what he does.
Listen.
Whoop.
Uh-oh. Where's the broom? Yeah. It should beat the game.
Yeah, it'll beep again. he might be making a liar out of this.
Yeah, you already did it once. At the first 10-minute mark. Is it hot? Is it your supper? Don't want it? Is it gonna be? Oh! 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 Get it! Get it!
You getting it?
You getting it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, thank you. High five. Mommy. Oh, Mommy's turn? Yes. Okay, Mommy's turn. Yeah, Mommy's turn. Yeah. Woo. Oh, Jolie's turn. One more time, just to make sure. One more time for Jolie. All done? Okay.
Good job.
Good job. Thank you.
Say bye-bye. Ooh.